Hey guys, I'm so happy to see you again. In today's video, we're gonna be creating this UI here, and as you can see, we're gonna have this icon, the close button here. So whenever the user wanna close this UI, all he has to do is to click on this button, and after that, we're gonna have two text form fields widgets. So here they are. The first one will be for the title, and the second one for the body of the post. And here just below we're gonna have this save post button, and that's it. So this UI is the same UI that we're gonna use for both modification and creation of the post. So let's code. Okay, first we're gonna open our post view widget, and inside of this post view widget we're gonna find where this icon here, and we're gonna write something like navigator of the push the page routes. Okay, and here it's gonna be a const edit posts view. So all we have to do now is to create these widgets. We're gonna open our presentation folder, and here in the post folder we're gonna add another file called edit post view dot oops, like that. Here we're gonna import the material package. After that, let's create a stateless widget, and then I'm just gonna paste the name of our interface. And so let me go back to our post view. All I have to do now is to import this widget in order to fix that issue, and we're good. Now if I click on this icon here, yeah, our edit post view is actually opened. Now we can start building the UI for this edit post view. So here we're gonna return first a container. This container will have a color. This color, let's make it white, and after that we're gonna have a child. This child will be a safe area as usual, and this safe area will have a child of a scaffold widget, like that. Let me save. Yeah, it's white. This scaffold widget will have a background color. Let's make it white. It's gonna also have an up bar, like that. Now we can remove these consts, and here inside of our up bar we're gonna also need a color, so a background color. Let's make it white as well, and the leading of this up bar, an icon button, and here let's add our icon, sorry, and here let's say close. Let's change the color to amber. On praise, let's make it just like that for now, and okay, it's good. But this amber, let's increase it to 80. Now we can remove these cons. Let's save and see. Yeah, like that. And here we want this interface to be closed whenever the user click on this icon here. So let's say navigator of context pop. So let's save. Now we can try. Yeah, like that. Whenever we click here, okay, this interface is opened again. So guys, since we are done with the upper of this widget, we're gonna now start building the body. And so we're gonna say body, it's gonna be a column, it's gonna have children, and here inside of this column we're gonna need two areas. So the first one will be the area for the text form field widgets, just there, and the second one will be for the save posts button. So let's start with the first one, which is the text form field widgets area. First, we're gonna need an expanded widget. First, we're gonna need an expanded widget. This one will have a single child scroll view widgets, and the child will be a column like that. And here, this single child scroll view will have a padding, an horizontal padding, symmetric 20, like that. Let's save. Yeah, it's good. And here for the children, we're gonna actually create the two text form field widgets that we're gonna need. Okay, let's say text form field. Let's remove these consts. After that, we're gonna need a cursor color. Let's make it amber, and the style will be changed also because we wanna be able to change the font size. So let's make it 40 in order to make it bigger. And after that, we're gonna need some decoration for these text form field widgets. Put decoration. Let's make it collapsed. The hint text will be title. Let's save and see. Yeah, like that. After that, we're gonna need a divider between both text form field widgets. Let's save and see. Yeah, like that. And after that, we're gonna need another field for the body. So let's say text form fields. We're gonna change first the cursor color. It's gonna be amber. After that, let's say max lines 100, because the user is going to write too many phrases in the body. And here the main line, let's say only one. The decoration, input decoration, collapse as well, but here it's going to be body for the hint texts. Let's save and see. Yeah, it's great. So if we try to write something there, yeah, it's good. And for the title, it works. Okay guys, the last thing that we're gonna do for this interface will be actually the creation of the save post button. And the way we're gonna do that is by creating first a folder here in the presentation folder, a folder called shared widgets, and inside of here I'm gonna create a file called custom button widgets .dots. So that's it. Inside of this file, we're gonna import first the material package. After that, we're gonna define a stateless widget called custom button widgets, and here in the build function we're gonna return a sized box, just like that. These widgets will have a height. Let's give it 60, and the width will be double max finite. And after that, it's gonna have a child. This child will be an elevated button. So our button will have a callback function. Let's pass it here for a callback. We're gonna call it on tap. It's not gonna be required, so the user will not be, it's not gonna be mandatory for the user to pass it to these widgets. And here on press, we can just say on tap like that. And here the child will be first a text. Let's write save post. We can save this, and after that we're gonna grab these widgets inside of our edit posts widgets, just there. Let's import it like that. Let's 70. Yeah, so let's open our custom button widget file, and here we're gonna bring some modification. Let's say style, button style. Here by default the radius of the button is 30, but in our case we want the radius to be only 10. Let's say shape material state property all. This one I'm gonna say rounded rectangular border radius, this one, and the border radius will be, let's say, only 10. Let's 70. Yeah, it works. Okay, now let's change the background color of our button. So it's gonna be background color material state property all. I'm gonna say colors amber, let's say 800, just like that. Let's 70. Yeah, it works. After that we're gonna change the elevation. It's gonna be also material states property all. Let's make it 0, no elevation, like that. But here we're gonna need some style, so let's say style, text style, the font weight, the font size first, let's make it 20. The color is gonna be black, and the font weight, font weight, we're gonna make it bold, like this. Yeah, it's so beautiful. As you can see here, our button is so beautiful, but I think we're gonna need some space all around it so it can be more beautiful. And the way we're gonna do that is by coming back here in the edit post view and add a padding widget to our custom button. So let's say wrap with padding, and we're gonna say padding all 20. Let's 70, and it's great. It's so beautiful. With this interface, the user will be actually able to add a title just there, to write something, and so for the title, something will go there. Let's say some title, and here for the body, some body, and then save the posts, and everything will be okay. So this interface is actually done. Okay guys, thanks for watching. So in the next tutorial we're gonna be working on this UI here, where the user will have this space where he can write something, this field, he can write something, and here at the bottom we're gonna be displaying to him a list of the results that are being displayed according to what he is typing here in this field. So this is the next UI that we're gonna build. Hey guys, thanks for watching till the end. I really appreciate. Today I realized 113 subscribers to my channel, and for that I say thank you to you all. May God bless you a lot, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Peace.